Alright guys, this is 2018 Panini Luminance Football. We're doing a one box break. There are 3 autographs, 1 memorabilia per box. 3 autos, 1 memorabilia. They have on-card autographs, draft day signatures. We're doing, like I said, man, 2 random teams per spot on this one. So everybody that's in on the break is over here on the left-hand side, starting from Kevin W. down to Pooch 199. Let's copy everybody's names and take it on over to random.org. Paste everybody in twice. You get 2 teams per spot. And as always, we go 9 times on the random. Good luck, everyone. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9th and final time. Good luck, guys. 9. All right, we got 9 times. We got Harold A up top and James S down bottom. Let's copy those names. Take it back over here to the football spreadsheet. And we got the Cardinals down to the Redskins. Let's paste everybody in. We'll make those names a little bit bigger for you. And there you go. These are your teams for the Luminance Football 2018. So, yeah, man. As always, I'll give you guys a few minutes if you want to make any trades. That's not a problem. We'll hang in here for about 3 or 4 minutes. Let you guys make any trades or offers. Let me know. Otherwise, we will get rolling on the Luminance Football. And like I said, I do have some bonus cards going in on that. Here they are. So I do have those bonus cards. A couple autographs. And an extra jersey. So 3 hits there. 4 hits in the box. Pegasus has Panthers and Colts up for trade if anyone's interested. Frankie G says rip. I guess you're happy with your teams. Where'd you get Jacksonville? Browns for 49ers. Okay, no go on that. Yeah, okay, Frankie. Yeah, man, we're rolling on this one. Alright, so no trade, no go on that one. I think we're good. Alright, so let's do it to it then, guys. Thanks again. Alright. Alright, so here we go. Good luck, guys, on the Luminance Football. We'll start with the bonus cards. First up is going out to the New England Patriots. Patriots, Kevin O'Connell, rookie jersey, upper deck. New England going out to Stephen W. Sooner Steve. Tampa Bay with the double autos. Tampa Bay Bucks. Jerry D. There you go, Jerry. Jeff Garcia and Aqib Talib. So 2 bonus autographs going out to Jerry, man. Nice hit there. The GOAT. Congrats, brother. Alright, so here we go. Luminance Football. 3 autographs, 1 memorabilia. Good luck, guys. Alright, 4 packs. Let's go. Luminance Football 2018. Good luck, guys. Here you go. Pack 1. 1 Trey Quinn. James, you have the Redskins, then. There you go. All right, first up, Dalvin Cook, base. Marvin Jones Jr. for the Lions base. Keenan Allen Chargers base. Fournette for the Jaguars base. AJ Green for the Bengals. First hit, Green Bay. Aaron Jones. Patch. Those patches are always on top, guys. Like I said, if you go to a hobby shop and there's an open pack of Luminance, an open box, grab one from the bottom because those jerseys are always on top. Aaron Jones for the Packers, Green Bay, going out to Chad H. There you go, Chad. There it goes. Aaron Jones, no numbering on that one. Jumbo jersey. And got a Todd Gurley. It's like a gold variation there. Dynamic insert for the Rams, going out to Pooch 199. On to the rookies. Dallas Cowboys, Michael Gallup. Browns, Cleveland, Denzel Ward. And for the Bears, Roquan Smith. And here we go, pack number 2. Yep. That jersey's always on the top. Alright, here we go. Von Miller for the Broncos. Todd Gurley again for the Rams. Julian Edelman, Patriots. Phillip Rivers for the Chargers. Got a blue Christian McCaffrey. Nice. Carolina Panthers, going out to Pegasus. Christian McCaffrey blue. Numbered 88 of 99. 88 of 99. Christian McCaffrey blue. And our next hit, Chubb. Nasty. NC State. Boom. Bradley Chubb. That would be for the Denver Broncos, I believe. $15 of 99. There you go, man. Bradley Chubb, rookie auto, number 299. Sorry, man, it's hard to see with these bright white cards. Alright, next up is Darius Geis. There you go, James. That's for the Redskins. Luminance insert, or Luminary insert. Rookie for the Redskins, Darius Geis. On to the rookies. Texans, Jester Wee. Alan Lazard, Jacksonville Jaguars. And Levon Coleman for the Houston Texans. Alright, 2 packs left. Still waiting on 2 autographs. Let's get it. Good luck, guys. James. Alright, here we go. Kareem Hunt. Alvin Kamara, base. Kenyon Drake for the Dolphins, base. Derrick Henry for the Titans, base. Marquise Goodwin, a little gold variation there for the San Francisco 49ers. And who's it going to be? Good luck, guys. Nice. First tight end drafted for the Ravens, Baltimore. Hayden Hurst, rookie auto, 47 out of 75. Baltimore Ravens, going out to Pooch 199. That's the blue variation. There you go, Pooch. Blue variation, number 275, Hayden Hurst. Rookie for the Baltimore Ravens. Very nice. And we got a, what is that? Six-time Pro Bowl selection insert, Randy Moss for the Vikings. Minnesota, going out to Chad H. Those should be numbered too. These are only like 1 per box, I think. All right, on to the rookies. Ronald Jones, the second, going out to Tampa Bay. Tampa Bay, Ronald Jones. Dylan Cantrell for the Chargers, LA. Going out to Pooch. And there he is, James. Trey Quinn. Mr. Relevant. Washington Redskins. Rookie Trey Quinn. It's weird. It looks like there's a spot on the card, but it just... it's from his chin strap or whatever. Look how long the chin strap's hanging off. He looks like he's got antlers. Trey Quinn. Very nice. Alright, last pack. Got one more autograph to go. Let's get it, guys. Good luck, everybody. Luminance football. Here we go. First up is Earl Thomas base for the Seahawks. Matt Ryan for the Falcons. Teddy Bridgewater for the New York Jets. Kelvin Benjamin for the Bills. And nice rookie gold, DJ Shark, Jacksonville. Going out to Frankie G. DJ Shark, rookie gold. And who's this going to be? Wisconsin, Troy Fumagalli. I forget, where did he get drafted? Who's another tight end? Troy Fumagalli, number 249. There you go, 178 out of 249. Troy Fumagalli, rookie auto from Wisconsin. Number 249. So Denver. Okay, thanks, Steve. So Denver Broncos going out to Steve. There you go, man. Troy Fumagalli. Yeah, there was a couple decent tight ends this year. Gesicki to the Dolphins. Hayden Hurst. Andrews. Fumagalli. Alright, LaShawn McCoy for the Buffalo Bills. Flash insert. Buffalo going out to Pooch 199. On to the rookies. Good luck, guys. Let's see. Alright, Karen Johnson for the Lions. Detroit. Cedric Wilson Jr. for the Cowboys, Dallas. And last up is Max Brown for the Panthers, Carolina. Alright, so not bad. Couple decent autographs there. Got the nice, the Aaron Jones patch was the jersey. Plus, also we had obviously the bonus card. So Tampa Bay got the Jeff Garcia and the Aqib Talib. New England got the bonus jersey, and then the 3 autographs. Like I said, the Aaron Jones was the jersey. 3 autographs were Bradley Chubb, definitely pretty nasty there. Number 299. Troy Fumagalli, number 249. For the Broncos. And Hayden Hurst for the Ravens. Blue variation. There it is. Number 275. So misprint on the last rookie. Wow, what was the misprint? The team? Yeah, these are all base. That'd be awesome, man. Trey Quinn. Yep, we're all pulling for him here. He's the 2018 Jeremy McNichols. We seem to get a ton of Trey Quinns for some reason. We get a ton of autographs and jerseys and rookies of him. Last year we kept getting Jeremy McNichols from Tampa Bay. We must have hit 40 autographs and jersey cards of him. So far we've hit about 10 Trey Quinn rookies or autos. So thanks again, guys, for getting in on this, man. I'm going to print out the spreadsheet, put this stuff aside for shipping, and we will get back at it in just a minute. The Elite Football is down to only a few left, and then we got Inception Baseball. I think there's like 2 left in Inception Baseball, and like I said, man, if we'll do those bonus entries, give away those free spots in the basketball as well as those 2 mini boxes. So just let me print out this spreadsheet. This one's up next. I think there's 2 spots left in the store unless they're gone already. Damn, that's dark. Oh, did it? Okay, let me, I'll double check on that. Some of them, yeah, some of them, I don't know, it's weird.